Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, my name is Sean, and today we are going to be installing some test pipes on Patrick's STI. So he's bringing it now. I had to set my car off to the side, so I pulled it off to the side. So I'm waiting for him to get here. Got the S2000 in the garage right now, and still working on this too. Just waiting on the replacement bracket to come in so I can put the passenger seat in, because they sent us the wrong bracket. But this is a pretty good project. We got the cage already put in, seats are in pretty much. We redid the center console, so everything's coming along with this car. Only thing we're waiting on are the wheels, and we'll be ready to go on that car. This one, on the other hand, is getting ready to get tuned for E85. Just waiting on the Cobb Flex Fuel kit to come in, and we're going to be wrapping this car. So that's the next step, soon as I can get the S2000 pulled out of the garage. So all right, Patrick just got here. Ooh, this is what we're changing out. Ooh, look at all that restriction.
What?
Look at all the restriction.
Oh yeah, not restriction.
All right, so the plan is we're gonna put this bad boy on to replace these. So first we got to remove these. It should be fairly easy. He's got a 3-inch exhaust all the way from turbo back all the way back, right? That's 3 inches. And then so the only thing we're taking off is the axle back, because that's where his resonators are. So we're gonna remove that and replace it with the test pipe. And he wants to wrap it.
Wrap it and glue the tip.
You're my boy, Blue.
So we'll see if that even works.
Yeah.
Like
hopefully it looks good.
Something I can set up.
All right, to give you guys an update, we took off the axle back that he had on here, so there is nothing back here. It was just held on by two 14 mil, and then the rest were hangers that were a little bit of a butt to get off, but we got those off. So that's the old, and we are putting this on. It's a big difference, so it'll be a big weight difference. We're getting ready to wrap it.
Just make it look as ricer as possible.
Yeah, we got the heat wrap soaking right now, and then we're going to mount it, or we're going to wrap it first, then mount it.
And I kind of blued the tip a little bit. It's not perfect since the metal was dirty, but
looks rowdy.
yeah, that's the entire goal of this.
Yeah.
Is to look as illegal as possible. Like a go-kart exhaust.
Oh, there it is. Look at that butt. All right, so we just wrapped the little tippy tip. The little tip, just the tip, and got it blue. Yeah. So now we're gonna
see if it fits.
which we should have did first. All right, let's get it. All right, got it mounted on. Took a little finagling. We got it on, and
you want to do the
Pat's
honors?
ready. Yeah, I'll start right here. You
camera.
can hold the camera.
Hold on. I think. Oh, all right. Nameless track pipe. First start. We'll see. Is
it neutral?
Yeah, I think. I'm fucking scared. It's actually not that much louder. Not that bad. No, hold on. Give it a little blip. Oh, all right, there it is. Hold on. Just let it idle for a little bit. Hold on, get back there. Idling sounds fine, but when you ready?
Oh! Yep, that's loud.
Driving. Oh wait.
Got this snap right here. Come on.
My bumper, huh?
Oh yeah. Oh, car's moving. It's all right. It's your first time. Yeah, this thing looks good.
You need to tell me outright if it's too loud. 'Cause I think it's gonna be.
I can already tell you right now. We're not going back though. Oh my. So as you guys can see, that thing is loud, man. That thing is might grab some attention, but it sounds good. Woo! Yeet! Waiting for him to get back.
You catch that rattle, it's
Oh! Whole life.
see if I can get some pops. Damn it. Not a good downshift. Hold on.
Yeah, like, ooh, like right here would be good. Oh man. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. Hopefully you guys like the content. Got a few more things coming up. Like I said, we're gonna wrap the car, my car, and here he's coming back now. But that's it. That thing is sick, man.
Does it sound good?
Yeah.
I want to hear it.
It's so
I want to
crazy.
hear the snap first and then compare it to real life. You hear that pop right there?
Yeah. All right, y'all. So that's it for this video. So see you guys. Peace out.